Or let's see how to get iPad view in Bgmi in iPhone. In the first step, open settings. Next, head to accessibility. Later, choose display and text size. Then turn on larger text. In the next step, open settings. Later, go to display and brightness. After that, set display zoom to standard. In the next step, open settings. Later, tap on general. Next, select about. Next, take note of your iOS version. In the next step, launch Safari. Next, look for Bgmi iPad view configuration file. Now, get the latest version. In the next step, access Files app. Then find the downloaded configuration file. After that, transfer it to the right Bgmi folder. You are good to go.